Right, good morning everyone. Well, I guess it's good afternoon. It's like 1 p.m. here. So yeah, today we're gonna do a quick vlog, just unboxing the clothing that I got from Gymshark. Technically I got them like a couple days ago, but you know, life is a vlog. You have to wait till you do an unboxing. You don't have to, but I want to. I was also gonna film a sick intro and then realized that I don't have a drone, so my intro's gonna look like shit, very basic, so I don't care. And I was also gonna like wake up early, do my hair and whatnot, and then look all awesome. Then I realized I don't have an audience, so little do I care. Let's get into this. Boom. Oh wait, where's my clothing? Oh right here. Oh right, sorry, forgot about this. Oh yeah, just got this like yesterday. A fat guy came over and says, "Hey, you're a wizard." I'm like, well, I guess I'm a wizard now, so. Akio! Well, that was easy. Let me put this away. Right, so yeah, this package. I think I got like 2 hoodies and then 1 joggers, because I never had joggers from Gymshark, so I was really excited. And I think I also got 2 t-shirts a couple weeks ago. Honestly, man, I shouldn't have done this. I've spent so much money over the blackout event. I told myself I shouldn't spend any money for at least another couple months. And then Gymshark keeps coming up with the new shit. So let's get this unboxed. Oh, right. How do I open this? Oh, right. Magic again. Let me see. What's the fuck? What's the spell to open shit? Oh, I don't know. Well, I guess the one that open doors will do. Aloha Mura. Well, worked. Right, let's have some fun with this. Well, I guess I'm gonna put this away. Maybe I'll use it in a little bit. Might be some fun. Alright, so first of all, I'm actually gonna show you guys the one that I got a couple weeks ago, so be right back. So these two are the premium seamless. Like honestly, Gymshark seamless series have always been my favorite. So it's got like these little shoulder patches on the side, as you can see. You know, like classic Gymshark logo in the middle. I love the material because it's very breathable. I think I wear them for my leg days quite often in my back. So let's quickly try it on. Let me see. So yeah, again, I'm 5'10", 5'11", depends on the day, depends on the mood. Right now, I think I am 178, 180 pounds because I'm still bulking, lean bulking. So yeah, let's see how this fits. Oh, I got a medium, by the way. Right, so, well, you can see it fits pretty good. It's just like classic Gymshark fit, right? Like, it's just a little bit like tight on the chest, so make it look like you have a chest puff up. Like the back right now, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so I really like the back design. Just a little long fit, so right underneath your butt. Yeah, so I really like the shoulder patch. Like it looks like armor, you know? Yeah, so right, and then should I try on the black one? Maybe I should. Right, well, this is the black one. Another thing that I really enjoy about like Gymshark is at the bottom of the clothing. I'm not gonna show you this one, but I'm gonna show you the other one. It has this like low key. When it flips up, it says, you know, be a visionary. Right here at the very bottom of the seam, be a visionary. So I know, I just really like it. Oh, by the way, right here, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, the material. So it's a little bit see-through. That's why it breathes really well. And then this is what the black one looks like. Honestly, I was gonna just get the red one. And then I thought maybe I'll just get both. And if I don't like one or the other, I'll return it. And then of course, I always ended up keeping both of them. So yeah. The sleeve is just a little tight. Looks really good. I think the black one looks more like an armor, to be honest. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And let's go with the other one. Okay, so before you guys continue, so as it turned out, I mispronounced the name of the product. Because when I first saw it, I thought it's Jacquard. I thought it's like, you know, the cat. But as it turned out, it's actually Jacquard. So yeah, consider I'm ESL, English is second language. Don't laugh too hard, but yeah, let's go on. Right, so first off, let's get the Jacquard pullover. I think this, oh yeah, because this is a large. This is insane. So when I knew about this pullover, I think released just like when David Lay posted the photo. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna watch out and see when they released it. So as soon as I know that they released it, I went on the website and boom, the medium size is gone right away. So I had to get the size large, but I think in between medium and large, I always fit really well. So it depends on what the design it is, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Right, well, let's try this on. Well, now it's open. Before I try it on, I want to show you guys just a quick design of this thing. So take a look at this. All the patterns, it looks so cool. So look at the patterns in the back. It'll probably be better once I put it back on. But when you see this. And one thing that's really cool. Actually, I'm going to put it on first and then before I show you this. How do I put this on? Right, so now this is the fit. Honestly, man, I really like this hoodie. It's so soft, so comfy, and honestly, I think the large probably fit me better than, will probably fit me better than the medium, but we'll see because I got the medium for the black one. Of course I did. My favorite part of this hoodie though, look at this. Ta-da! Like this high-key Gymshark logo just like hide underneath, and I really like the pattern because when you can see under the light, there's so much detail on the pattern design, and then so it fits really well. I think it's just like right underneath my hip. So you got the tool pocket right here. Lots of details on the pocket design. I don't know if you can see this. Nope. Up there. There you go. Yeah. So yeah, it's a really cool hoodie. And then it's a funnel design. And the low key Gymshark logo right here. This one, like right here. Yeah, so it's super soft, stretchy. I think this officially has become my favorite hoodie. I really like the white color as well, so yeah. Don't get me wrong, I don't look like David Lay, but oh well, I think it looks really good. And thanks for Mr. Jack Lamont. Took away the drawstring. I'm not used to having a drawstring on my hoodies anymore, but hey, I think it looks really well. The extra long one actually aligned with the zipper. So yeah, looks really good. Let's try on the black one. Oh, where's my wand? Oh, right here. Let's see if this thing works. Well, here's the black one. And honestly, I think the white one looks a little looks better and large, and then the black one actually looks perfect medium. So there's just like no space, tight chest a little bit. As you can see, the classic Gymshark look. Sorry, my zoom is doing a little weird thing. And yeah, so same thing here. Similar design, you can see all the patterns in black. Right here. On the side, and then same thing, that screaming at Gymshark in the middle. I actually really like black. Anything black's my favorite. So yeah, this the sleeve design. So I really enjoy the black. Like the design pattern overall. And then the hood is not too small. I'm kind of debating if I want to switch this for large, so I have a bigger hood. But maybe not. I actually like the size of it, so I'll keep both. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Oh, I also got the Jogger, the Ultra. Oh, by the way, so yeah, this is the Ultra Jacquard pullover, and they also got the Ultra Jacquard logging. Words. Joggers, which is actually my first jogger ever from Gymshark. So let's see how it looks like. This is not the one, but right. So this is the Ultra Jogger. Ultra Jacquard jogger. My God, mouthful. I don't know how much you can see. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna move the camera. You guys can see more of the detail. So you can see it's the same, almost the same material. As the same design pattern, and this is your Gymshark logo right here. So same thing. This is size medium. Let me see, how do I, there you go. So that's the back of it. So take a look. And then I like that it's like tight on the calves. Make me look like I do have calves. My camera's having a hard time. Yeah. So tight on the calves and a little bit like room around your thighs. So for someone who has big thighs, I don't. I mean, they're decent, but yeah. Man, I love that. It actually makes me look like I have a very, very decent calves. So, there, that's my calves. Mini calves. Anyway, so yeah. Overall, I really, really enjoy this Ultra Jacquard series. It's gonna be my favorite like workout essential now. Honestly, every Gymshark has been my favorite workout essential. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a fanboy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today. There's lots of editing I have to do for this. I'm sorry for if it doesn't end up look really cool, just because I run into a lot of screen mirroring issue. Oh yeah, because I have to use this to mirror my screen, so I can see like if my filming's correctly, just because I'm using iPhone 7. I'm actually thinking of getting a camera now that I try to do YouTube vlog a lot more and an unboxing like this. So yeah, we'll see if I have the money to get a camera. For pocket camera, just for vlog, if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I am personally a huge fan of Sony, so let me see how it goes. And yeah, but again, for the size guide, I'm 5'10", 5'11", 178 to 180 pounds, somewhere around there. So anything that's medium fits me really well. Hoodie-wise, medium to large, depends on how you want the fit to look like. I personally don't mind having a little bit bigger size on the hoodie, but every other t-shirts, medium fits me really well. Stringers, medium fits me really well. The size guide on the website for each product will tell you the models, how tall is the model and what size they're wearing. It's actually really true to size. But yeah, so I'll see you guys later.